I'm back. Oh.
Give this to you. If I seen your beans and you wasn't supposed to come.
Oh, dang. Very nice. Thank you. Did you already pay for this?
Yes.
Okay.
Home.
All right.
How was your vacation?
It was good. It went by way too quick. It's like
Where'd you guys go?
we went to Navarre, Florida.
Okay.
It's kind of right there between Destin and Pensacola.
Cool.
It was a good trip. Just it always seems like we get there and then it's over. It's like
Lay on the beach every day.
no. The kids kept us busy, man. They were like, go, 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 go.
I can see through. That's good.
What's up? Did you miss me?
Got here. I just put back that little radio that I got to you, and I figured you were not coming.
No, you know what time I come in? 10:30.
Well, it's 10:55, almost 10:31.
So what happened last week? Anything?
Nothing I know of.
Nothing?
Ooh, that's kind of neat.
Kind of reminds me of you. Man, I gotta say, I really missed this.
You sure about that?
You need to get a light.
I know. Rice. 2002. That would have to be pretty close to. Isn't that the first Jesse? I think it is. Oh. What the hell's that? Pass on the connects. A little beat up. It smells. Oh.
Just have a dog collar.
Yeah. I'll check it out. Anything good?
No.
No? You gonna play this with me? Talk, flirt, or dare? No? You down for 5 rounds? Are you ignoring me? Kinda cool. That's cursed. It's in pretty good condition. Dude, check out that Goosebumps. I think I might have had that. Dude, that's awesome. 50 bucks. Wow. It's a duck. What's that? Reggie Miller's Last Game. That's kind of cool. Have to check that out and see what it looks like. Might have to frame that, put it in the garage. So poop stain ghosts right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump in here real quick. We're gonna get back to the bins here in a minute, but I wanted to share this with everybody. A little bit ago, I got an email from Dondi and Emily, who are fans of the channel, and apparently Emily makes crocheted items, and they wanted to know if I'd be interested in one. I said, yeah, go ahead and send it over. And I picked it up at the mailbox today, and I'm very excited to see what this looks like. All right, I got her cut open. Let's do it. Oh, there's a note. All right, so the note gives away what it is. So we're going to look at it first, and then I'm going to read the note.
It's chicken.
Look at that. It's chicken. That is amazing. This is really cool. Thank you so much, Emily, for crocheting this for me. I'm going to put it right back there on the shelf, and I'm going to keep it forever. This is the first thing anybody has ever sent me, so this is really special.
I got to tell you, it was perfect. Perfect.
So the note starts off with a big picture, and it says, "It's a chicken." If you guys watch the channel at all, you guys know we like chickens around here. And it says, "Hi, my wife and I love watching your videos. She runs a crochet business on the side called Pitched and Stitched." I'm going to try to find a link to that and put it in the description below. And thought you would like one of her chickens. We hope you like it, Dondi and Emily. Thank you guys so much. That's so kind of you guys to think of me and make this for me. Like, I never thought that I would get fan mail or anything on here. So this holds a special place in my heart. I put the chicken up there on the Jason shelf for now, but I might have to make a whole chicken shelf at some point. So again, thank you so much, guys. That was great. I love it. And thank you so much for thinking of me. And if anybody else wants to send me something, just send me an email at lostinthecomps@gmail.com, and I'll send you over the P.O. box address, and you can send me whatever you want. All right, let's get back over to the bins now. What's this thing? Holy crap.
That thing works, but it's not old though.
Yeah, he's cool though.
Yeah, I thought he was too.
How do you know he's not old? Oh, there we
Looks
go.
like a repop to me.
Yeah, probably.
But
Still really cool.
it is.
I'm not even gonna look him up. I'm just gonna buy him. Is this Build-A-Bear? No? Probably not worth anything. Too new. Probably on clearance right now. If it was Elmo versus Baby Yoda, who would win? If we did a whole video where we looked for Elmo and Grogu, which one would win? It'd be really tight. I mean, probably the two most seen characters at the Goodwill outlet for me. Maybe we'll do that one day, but not today. What is this? Is it in here? Dude, it's in there. That's cool. I love it. Loot Crate exclusive. I like the box. That's really cool.
It's chicken.
See? Grogu. Angel with no head. Bro, what? There's no way that goes to that.
My name is Jeff.
What is this? Okay. Need a shave? No. Ugh. It's chicken.
It's a chicken.
Hey. It's in pretty good condition other than being mucked up. I get it. What's that say? Man cave, open 24/7.
It's all there too.
Yep. Did you already check that?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. What are we doing this?
That's for somebody who needs practice. Ask Bryce.
Hey Bryce, what is this?
I don't think I want to know.
That's kind of cool. Pin trading. Did you find an alien?
What?
It's an alien fetus. I've sold that before. The little Mr. Christmas, yeah, Santa's marching band. They got it on a thing. I'm gonna leave it there. See if somebody else takes it. Dang it.
Are you stupid or something?
It's chicken.
Is there two of these? Or does somebody get it and then decide not to get it? Which I don't blame them. A Game Boy case? Huh? No game. That's a cool backpack. It's like Space Invaders. Sucker in there. The real question is, do you think Larry would fit in this?
You gonna ask him? Since he's not here, I'm gonna say no.
It looks a little small, yeah. I don't think I'd fit in it. If Larry can't fit in it, I can't fit in it. What's this? All right, y'all, we called it a day in there and we spent $9.59. Let's get into some of the crap that I bought.
You suck, you jackass.
I ended up grabbing that Reggie Miller poster from 2005. It was his last home game. It's a pretty cool little poster. It's got some gold foil on it. I thought this was kind of cool. But yeah, I'll probably put this up in the garage. No plan. I couldn't find it on eBay or anything. It might be worth something. I don't know, but it's mine now. I did end up grabbing the One Direction binder, maybe 2015, 20 bucks, I don't know.
What?
Ended up grabbing that Jessie doll. It's from 2002. She's a little dirty, but she works and she doesn't really have any damage. So I figured I might as well grab her. Larry ended up handing me this robot. I'm pretty sure it's modern and not worth much, but I thought he had a cool look, so I'm gonna put him on my bookshelf. I did grab that little Loot Crate hoverboard from Back to the Future 2. This thing's pretty cool, actually. I'm gonna put this next to my DeLorean time machine, but it's got like a mirrored base. Just a little, you know, little piece of junk that you get in a Loot Crate thing, but I thought it was pretty cool. I've sold this item a few times, and that's that little Hardee's Ghostbusters 2 like crayon box. This one's a little dirty, but it'll clean up, I think. But I don't think it's worth much. I didn't look it up. I just usually grab this just because I like it. It's probably like 10 bucks. Picked up this little Leatherman multi-tool. This is a pretty good brand. I don't know if it's missing its spring in there or if they're made like that, but it's in pretty good condition. It's got like a little rust spot right here, but other than that, the tool is in good condition. The case is in pretty rough condition, but that's okay. This remote is really disgusting, but it's probably about a $25 remote. And Bryce ended up handing me this e-collar RX90, no remote, but that's okay. I think this is still worth like 40 to 50 bucks on its own. Picked up this little vintage Harley Davidson quilt hat. It's women's, I'm pretty sure. It's a size small, made in the USA. Smells like absolute cigarette smoke. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to save this or not, but I figured it was so light, it was worth the try. All right, like I said, not a great day. Just some little junky things, bread and butter stuff. But I'm happy to be back. I think the vacation went way too fast, but hopefully we find some better stuff this week. Them having only 3 belts of wares now is really kind of a bummer. The shoes on belt 1 is just, it's not it for me. I'll never look at the shoes. It's just not something I want to get involved with all the cleaning and all that crap. So I might have to branch out to clothes again, because 3 belts of wares is not a lot of wares. But as always, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to like, comment, hype, share, watch, everything you guys do for me. If you guys are watching this and you enjoyed this one, you're a sick individual, and you should hit the subscribe button right now, because we do a lot of stuff here, a lot of thrifting. So until next time, guys, take care and keep the thrift alive.